How to edit a Reddit comment after posting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Reddit. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Profile in here. After you click on your profile, you will find all the posts you've commented in. You can simply click on the post. After you've clicked on the post, you will find your comment in there. Simply click on the three dots below your comment. After you've clicked on three dots below your comment, you will find all these options pop up. Simply click on Edit in here. After you've clicked on Edit as you want and press on Save at the top right corner of your screen, and your comment will be edited in this way. This is how to edit a Reddit comment after posting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.